Make your meals legendary with Cowboy Butter. You'll need 1 stick of unsalted butter, softened, 2 cloves of freshly minced garlic, 1 tablespoon chopped fresh parsley, 1 tablespoon chopped fresh chives, 1 tablespoon chopped fresh thyme, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, juice from half a lemon, ½ teaspoon red pepper flakes, pinch of smoked paprika, salt and freshly ground pepper to taste. Here's how to make cowboy butter with fresh garlic and herbs. Start with softened unsalted butter in a mixing bowl. Add minced fresh garlic. Young garlic has a milder flavor. Mix in parsley, chives, and thyme. Squeeze in lemon juice for brightness. Add Dijon mustard and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Add a pinch of smoked paprika. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Mix until everything is evenly combined. Spoon onto parchment paper and roll into a log. Chill for at least an hour before slicing. Slice and melt over steak, vegetables, chicken, corn, or anything hot off the grill. Or just spread on crusty bread. Store in the fridge for a week or freeze up to 3 months. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and share it with your friends. Subscribe for more recipes and tips from Sistari.